we are going to put you on stage. Okay, now that you're on stage, I'm going to read the tech tip quiz again real quickly. Jill owns a 17 Tahoe. She had a job delivering blood from Augusta to Savannah last summer, and something to do with the blood that she was transporting cost her $2,000 in repair costs. How did some of the blood that she was transporting cost her $2,000 in repair costs? And all eyes are on you. What is the answer?
The container that she was carrying accidentally spilled over, leaked onto her seats and her carpet, and she had to have it all reupholstered.
Oh, and let me see what they say. Oh, man, I am so sorry.
Oh,
but I
no!
tell you, that was close. So I'm going to get you I'm going to just give you a big thank you for calling in and giving a shot for today's Tech Tip quiz.
I was going to attempt to answer the Tech Tip quiz.
Oh, my goodness. Let me put you on stage real quick. Okay, you are on stage. I'm going to read the question again. Jill owns a 2017 Tahoe. She had a job delivering blood from Augusta to Savannah last summer, and something to do with delivering that blood or transporting that blood cost her $2,000 in car repair. What caused the problem that she had to pay $2,000 out of pocket? All eyes are on you now.
I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that since it was the summer months, the temperatures were high, especially around Augusta, Savannah area, that her Tahoe was running hot. And the only thing that she had available was the blood in the car, and she actually added the blood in where the coolant goes.
Ooh.
In order to replace the coolant to try to cool the engine down, and that just wreaked havoc on the cooling system.
Wow, that sounds like something that would be on Friday the 13th, Part 8. Woo! Now, I never really even thought about that. But, you know, Jason, I'm going to have to mention this, and it may not necessarily help you, but I'm going to give you the opportunity for it to help you. But I never really said it was anything to do with human blood that went in the vehicle or that that she was transporting. So I will give you one more shot with it. But wait a minute, Jason. I'm gonna have to give you something on the other first. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right, Jason. I'm so sorry you didn't get that one, but I'm giving you a second opportunity here. May not have been human blood that caused it. And you said one term, it's something to do with running hot. So, Jason, what is the answer to the Tech Tip quiz?
I know you're trying to help me out with this, but I'm just drawing a complete blank right now.
All right. Well, we are hoping that the next caller will grab the hint that was given there, because something can happen. This is a little tough one. This might be too tough. But we're
definitely a tough one.
We're gonna give one other person a shot. But I was gonna try to. This might be just too hard to give enough hints for. Well, let's go ahead and do this. Let's do this, Jason. Here we go. All right, Jason. We're talking about blood. Now, does blood necessarily have to be transported? Blood can come from several different places. It can be in a container that is being used to deliver blood somewhere. But what else that would be in wetlands area? There's a lot of wetlands near Savannah. And in the summertime, in those wetlands, you have water, you have heat. What kind of thrives in that area that loves blood?
That would be a lot of mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. Now, what can happen with mosquitoes? They're carrying blood. So what can happen with what can mosquitoes do to a car?
They can actually gather up in high enough quantity to stop up the radiator on the vehicle.
Well, let me think about this. Let me run it through. Let's see what the judges are saying. Wait a minute. They're smiling. I see one of them. He's smiling. He really is. Oh, Jason. Jason, it looks like you are the winner of today's Tech Tip quiz. You're absolutely right. The blood she was transporting in the car didn't cause a problem, but the blood in the mosquitoes that were sticking to her condenser outside the car did. So every night she would ride past these wetlands full of blood-filled mosquitoes, and they stopped up her condenser, which cut the airflow, which fried her compressor. And a compressor condenser job runs about $2,000. So with that, now she had to pay the $2,000 just because she was transporting blood, but the blood was inside the mosquitoes. Jason, does that add up?
Yes, sir, absolutely. Thank you very much.
I'm a pretty sick puppy, huh?